Josephine, and today we're going to talk about how to get your subscribers from BookFunnel to your MailerLite account. So I have my book, Kissing Katie, that is my reader magnet. This is the one that everybody downloads, and in return for downloading, they give me their fabulous email addresses, and they consent to have their names put in my newsletter list. So we come down to our page. So actually, first let's start. We started with books over here. You've already set up your specific book that you're going to do your giveaway on. You click that book, come down to your giveaway, which will collect emails. I didn't name it, so it's an unnamed giveaway, and I click that. And then you can see right at the top it says we have 17 new subscribers to be exported. So we click the little button right here, and I just choose to get the new subscribers. Every once in a while I do get all subscribers, and the reason I do that is because it is good to save your list and have your list, because if something happens where you get kicked out of MailerLite or MailChimp or off of BookFunnel, then you still have all of those specific. I put that on my desktop and I don't even rename it. Then you have all of that specific information and all those emails so that you can continue to contact your customers and let them know. So now I'm going to come over to MailerLite, and we're going to select, so we go over to subscribers, and this is the screen that comes up. If you want, you can add single subscribers where you actually type in their name and their email list, but we're just going to select the file that we downloaded. So we select that computer, and then we come up to desktop, which is where I stuck it, unnamed giveaway. I click this, he says boom, and we click the import button. And because it's not a very big file, it won't take him very long to upload this. It will get better come Mother's Day weekend because I'm in 2 promos then, and because I've joined those promos, I'm more likely to get subscribers, which is awesome. Now you can always add your subscriber to one or more groups. So I left click that particular tab, and these are going to become fans of Josephine. And I just bring it all the way to the bottom, and we finish adding our subscribers. It should work. Sometimes it takes MailerLite a little while. So he's going to import his information, then he'll tell me how many subscribers were added, how many subscribers updated, and 8 subscribers were not added. So if you come down here, we can see why those particular 8 were not added. We always have 1 invalid email. Don't ask me why. It's just the way that MailerLite works. Unchanged. So these 4 people are already on my list. So they downloaded my book twice. So there's no point in having them on the list again. These 3 people unsubscribed already before we even started. And that's fine. That's what they chose to do. That's cool. I would prefer they do it right away and that they are gone, because there's no point in paying for people to be on my subscriber list if they don't want to be. They don't want to buy my books. They don't want to get my emails. I don't want to pay to have them on my list if they don't want to purchase my items. So that is how you add your subscribers. Now, I'm going to click over to automation because I have a workflow that welcomes my new subscribers into my system so that I can say, hey, hi, welcome to Josephine's fans. This is what we're all about. This is my Amazon page if you want to click it to buy something. And also, if you do want to unsubscribe, it's not a big deal. So that is my copy of workflow number 1. So we're going to click that open. Excuse me. And because for some reason it has not been automatically doing it, I just click add subscribers. We say there's 10 subscribers to be added to the workflow. That's cool. We click add, and automatically those emails are going to go out. And at some point I will go through how to create a workflow in MailerLite so that you can see how it is done, and It's really quick and easy so that you don't have to do as much work by sending out individual emails to everybody. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, let other people know about it, share it with people. Put in the comments what you would like to see other videos of, and I will look into it and maybe I'll get back to you. It's Josephine Beintema. Thank you for watching.